The sellers are back. Home buyers, yeah, not yet. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. The supply of homes for sale in the East Bay during February was way up compared with both January and this time last year. Buyers looking for single-family detached homes had more than 800 more choices. What did more supply do to prices? This is where things get a bit complicated. Regionally, prices did drop about $200,000 compared to last February. However, stick around for the rest of the weather report because your results may vary depending on where you're looking. More choices and lower prices in some communities didn't result in significantly more sales. The number of homes sold was virtually unchanged compared with last February. Let's get local and start with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, big cities, small cities, up almost everywhere. Fremont and Union City, big increases. Prices, yeah, mixed. Albany way up at 1.6, Hayward down a bit to 9,865. Sales, more choices didn't necessarily mean more sales. Fremont, Hayward, San Leandro, Union City, all down. West Contra Costa County is up next. Homes for sale, mostly up, way up. Richmond, 96 for sale. Prices mostly down. El Cerrito 1.1875 down 13%. Pinole stands out at 850 up more than 20%. Sales very mixed. Up in Hercules and Pinole and down in Richmond and San Pablo. Now we're in central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale up everywhere. Big increase in Clayton. Concord 84 for sale up 75%. Prices mixed. Clayton and Martinez both down. Pleasant Hill 1.245 up more than 20%. Sales mostly down. Pleasant Hill 9 sold down 18% and Walnut Creek 16 down more than 25%. Next up is La Miranda. Homes for sale up everywhere. Lafayette and Orinda both up with more than 30 on the market. Prices mostly up and all in the $2 million range. Moraga up 26%. Sales down. Lafayette 9 sold down almost 50%. Let's check out the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale mostly up. Livermore 66 for sale, more than double from last February. Dublin and San Ramon both up more than 70%. Prices mixed. Alamo at 2.5 up almost 30%. Dublin, Livermore, and Pleasanton all down. Sales mostly up. Dublin 26 sold up more than 50%. San Ramon 10 sold down more than 50%. We're in the Delta and then we're done. Homes for sale up everywhere. Discovery Bay 62 for sale, more than double. Pittsburgh 78 up more than 60%. Prices down everywhere. Antioch 600 and Discovery Bay 772 both down 5% from last February. Sales mixed, down 30% or more in Antioch and Brentwood, up everywhere else. Last thought, where are all the buyers? Well, during February they were shopping and making offers, a lot of offers. There are about 850 pending sales last February. This February, more than 930. We'll see you next month.